Hey guys, so I'm going to do this video a little bit different today. Usually you don't get to see me. Today we are because I think this might work a little bit better with my face and subtitles instead of me typing it out or doing a PowerPoint. So today we're going to go over some of my top favorite tips on having a successful food and beverage style catering sales call. So the first is, unless they're having a themed event and they got a vision, go into any sales call operating under the assumption you need to paint a picture for them. You want to describe how your food looks, how it's going to be plated, its aesthetic, the color scheme, all this. So you want to take that initial inquiry and kind of piece together what it's going to look like. Now, most people are really good at saying, it's my daughter's 13th birthday. This is a Christmas theme event. And you can take those colors and concepts and ideas and present that. Because when someone's planning an event themselves, if they are not a professional event planner, they need guidance. Be their guide. It can only help you. It means you can upsell what you want to upsell. It means you can sell parts of the menu you want to sell. Like if you're having a holiday party, they're hiring you for cocktail service. Maybe you want to do drinks garnished with a little skewer of rosemary and a cranberry. Why? Rosemary ties into a lot of liquors nicely, has that nice Christmas tree looking aesthetic. And a cranberry ties in that red. Again, it's a fall and winter berry. They look nice together. Plus, tons of people like a cranberry mule or a cranberry gin fizz. Whatever it may be, cranberry's tartness is very nice in cocktails. So it's easy to tie that into the menu. Or skewers. One skewer that often is pretty popular is like mozzarella, olive, basil, tomato. Cue those up just right, and they're little like Santa-looking holiday skewers. It can look festive without putting in so much effort that you're drowning in what's a Christmas menu. So you want to pitch those ideas. So outside of painting the picture for them, you want to make a connection with them. So not only check what the event's going to be and see what's going on, see what you can tie into it personally. Oh, I have a daughter too. Oh, we've done loads of birthdays. I'm more than happy to share some pictures so you can see what it could look like for your daughter's birthday. You want to show them you're the best because there's tons of competition. You could be the cheapest, the most expensive, you could be the middleman. People want to see who they're going to get the most value from, who feels the most professional, who they feel is going to be there for them. When you're there, you are their team. So remember that. Other tips on sales calls is the pretty standard. Try not to use filler words. The the like. Sound confident. Sound confident in selling you, your company, and your food. Because if you don't sound confident in what you're selling, they're not going to go with you. They want someone that's going to exude confidence that they're the brand voice of the company. Some other favorite tips. Tell them what the timeline is going to look like. When they're going to get a quote. How soon they would have to pay. Is the payment able to be split? If it's split, when's deposit due versus final payment? What time the team will arrive? Who might be on the team? What they're going to look like? What the event could look like? And then follow this up with an itinerary, especially if they book with you. Show them the assurance that they're not just going to book and wait. Show them that, hey, you book with us, we're going to keep you updated. We're going to tell you when stuff's arriving. We're going to give you this beyond just a food visual. You're going to see everything happening on the back end too. So you know we're working. Catering comes with a pretty penny usually. People want reassurance. Be reassuring. And what else? You know what? We might wrap that up for today as a shorter video. There will be more in this sales call series. I implore you to stay tuned, subscribe, comment, and keep an eye out for more.